Hi, I'm here at Google and I'm here to test out the Pixel 9's new Satellite SOS service. This strange device here is going to help me. It's not a panini press, it's actually a shielded box to kill all the radio signals. So in order to get it to work, I have to close this in order for it to dial a satellite. Before we get back to my demo of Satellite SOS, let's look at what it is and why it's significant. Satellite SOS lets Pixel 9 owners contact emergency services when they're out of range of mobile networks and Wi-Fi. And to help me understand more about it, I talked with Stephanie Scott and Aisha Sharif from Google's Pixel phone team.
I'm Aisha Sharif. I'm a product manager of Pixel software.
I'm Stephanie. I'm a product manager on the hardware team at Google, and I make Pixel phones.
Satellite SOS is part of our suite of safety features. We're excited to introduce this one with our Pixel 9 phones that allows you to connect with emergency services even if you're in a place without service.
There's really two simple steps. The first is connection. And so you want to be able to first connect to that satellite. It's super easy. If you're out of range, you dial 911 and you're going to be prompted right on the screen to connect and make this satellite connection. The second step is communicating the information that you might be wanting to communicate during an emergency. And so it'll actually prompt you through an on-screen survey to describe a little bit about what's going on. So it can send that information in your location back up to the satellite. And then depending on what's going on, you may have a few back and forth messages with emergency services.
So with those basics out of the way, let's go back to my Satellite SOS demo. Obviously in real life, people aren't gonna have their phone in the box connected to a PC. We're doing this so we don't accidentally call 911. With the phone inside this box here, I can't get to it, I can't see the screen. So we have this cable coming out connected to a PC that lets me see the screen here. And if we look on the top right, I don't have any cellular signal. In fact, my icon has been replaced with an icon of a satellite, meaning I can connect to that. But in order to actually connect to the satellite, I have to trigger it by calling 911. Let's give it a call, see what happens. Pixel phone is trying to call 911, it's trying to reach it, and when it fails, it will give me the option to connect to a satellite. So if you look at the bottom of the dialer, we see there's a new button. It says Satellite SOS. I tap that, and now I'm able to actually connect to the satellite. So we're gonna take the phone out of the box since we know we're not actually gonna call emergency services. I now have a questionnaire I'm gonna fill out. This will be sent to emergency services. It wants to know if I have an illness or injury, vehicle or vessel, if I am lost, missing, or trapped, if there's a crime going, fire, or something else. Let's tap fire. It says, is anyone injured or in immediate danger? I'm gonna say no. What's going on? Is it a forest, brush, or grass, building? I'm gonna say a building fire. And now I have the option to not only send this questionnaire that I filled out to emergency responders, but also to my emergency contacts so they'll know what's going on. I'm gonna hit notify. And now here comes the fun part. I have to connect to the satellite. I have some buildings behind me and trees, so I'm gonna move the phone. So a few things, you might be hearing some chimes. That's it prompting me to move it. Because I'm slightly near a building, I'm gonna get away from this and get a better vantage. Tilt down to center, keeping phone steady. Now I have green, it means I'm connected to a satellite. A satellite that's flying by at tens of thousands of miles an hour is now connected to my phone. A pop-up window shows my connectivity to the satellite, so if I need to reposition it, I can move my hand back and forth. I also have a thread going on with the responders. It's called Garmin Response. Since this is not an actual emergency, I'm gonna let them know that please don't respond. So it's now being sent from my phone to the satellite, and I should hear back in a moment here. It was sent, there we go. Going through the demo was really enlightening. I'm impressed with how straightforward it all is, and what's great is if you're a Pixel 9 owner, you don't need to know anything about this feature to use it because it all gets triggered by attempting a 911 call.
The moment you try to dial 911 when you're in a place without service, we already get that prompt. So we try to make it super easy and accessible for users to find this in those times where you need it most.
I know we're already starting to get inbound stories from users that have been able to use the feature successfully, which is really awesome because we're trying to build that in to help people. For myself, I actually enjoy knowing that it's there when I'm doing things like going hiking, especially on the coastal areas where you don't always have great reception. Having that extra layer of security or backup for yourself is really nice.
During my demo, you may have noticed the name Garmin Response pop up. I asked Stephanie about this.
Garmin Response is the one that's on the receiving end for the emergency SOS message that gets sent over satellite. And they have 24-hour answering services that really help triage through the problems and contact emergency services.
And Garmin Response isn't the only partner Google had for the service. Satellite SOS uses satellite service provider Skylo to place these emergency calls. Now currently, Satellite SOS is limited to the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, and 9 Pro Fold. And it turns out there's some unique hardware in the phones that makes all this work.
So the hardware is definitely enabled to provide this. Definitely the modem is capable of helping provide this, as well as having specific bands, cellular bands to support this.
Google's Satellite SOS service is free for the first 2 years, but the company didn't share how much it would cost after 2 years, nor if it would be more broadly available to other Android phones if they have the included hardware needed for satellite connectivity. As a tech journalist, it's wonderful to see safety features like satellite connectivity come to Pixel phones. And beyond Google, there's Apple, who offers a similar service for the iPhone. And carriers are now starting to get into the satellite game too. T-Mobile, which is working with SpaceX on their own version of satellite connectivity for emergency notifications, temporarily turned on its service prior to Hurricane Milton. These are still the early days for smartphone satellite connectivity, but the feature is already helping people and will likely only get more robust over time. But now I want to hear from you. Do you look for safety features like Satellite SOS when buying a phone? Have you ever used it or Apple's version to contact emergency services? Let me know in the comments. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.